Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinç and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about how to block someone or unblock on Instagram using either the mobile app or desktop websites. But before talking about this topic, I want to ask this question. Why do we block someone? We all want to have the best experience that we can on social media. Even if it seems that there is a lot going at once online, from the 24/7 news cycle to the millions of accounts that we can encounter, we still have the ability to control our experience. We can choose who we want to follow, what topics and tags to track, and can go private so we can limit who we want to engage with. Blocking doesn't just give you the ability to completely hide someone's account and their content from yours, but it prevents that person from ever having access to viewing and interacting with your account too. Everyone has their different reasons for wanting to block someone, but essentially, it's a last resort, final move to let someone else know that they do not have the right to be a presence in your online life, and by extension, your real life, and they are having a negative impact on you. Most of the time, blocking is warranted and done for safety, security, and for a healthier state of mind. These include accounts that belong to an ex, companies or people who promote content that can trigger you, or accounts that spread messages about hate, especially ones that attack your identity, and blocking people who you know who have negatively impacted you, like through bullying, toxic friendships, and constant harassment and contact, can also help improve your well-being. Blocking can be tricky though, especially when it comes to people you know. If the person finds out they've been blocked, for example, they may get upset, especially if they don't think they should have been blocked. And some may see it as a sign of being passive-aggressive if there wasn't a conversation about how both of you have been feeling, and it can escalate into conversations or arguments that can affect everyone negatively. And although more direct, blocking can be interpreted the same way people interpret being subtweeted. For example, people getting blocked can make them feel anxious or guilty. Relationships in general can be hard to navigate, but social media and the power to indirectly tell someone who don't want them around adds another element. And there are many reasons to warrant blocking, but if the people you are blocking are those you know and you feel comfortable talking to them about any issues that you are having, it's worth trying to find a way talking through it first before hitting the block button. So, have you ever blocked someone on social media? And if you blocked someone, what happened? I'm just curious about it, and just tell me in the comments below and I'll learn about it. Yeah, and now we can just go on with our main topic, is that how to block or unblock someone on Instagram using either the mobile app or desktop website. In this video, we'll find answers to all the questions you are curious about. What is blocking Instagram user? How can I block someone? And is it possible to unblock the person I have blocked via Instagram? And let's move on to the issue without wasting time. Instagram is a great place to share photos with your friends and family. But if you find yourself the target of harassment or trolling, the blocking feature can come in handy. Instagram does not give users any sort of notification that they've been blocked or unblocked. When you block a user, you are prohibiting them from messaging or following you and seeing your posts or stories. To block someone, you'll need to go to their profile page, tap or click the three dots to the right of their name and select block. If you ever change your mind, however, unblocking someone on Instagram is just as easy and only takes a few minutes. The process to unblock people on Instagram through your desktop or an iPhone or Android phone is different for each platform, but both are easy, and here's how to do it. At first, let's start with how to block someone on Instagram using a mobile device. At first, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and go to the profile of the person you are looking to block, either by searching for their account, scrolling through your followers list, or tapping the name of an account that appears on your timeline, and tap the three dots at the top right corner of the user's profile page. And then tap block from the menu that appears to block the user. And just, you block this person. I'll just repeat the steps. At first, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Go to the profile of the person you're looking to block, either by searching for their account, scrolling through your followers list, or tapping the name of an account that appears on your timeline. And tap the three dots at the top right corner of the user's profile page and tap block from the menu that appears to block the user. And how to unblock someone on Instagram using a mobile device. At first, launch Instagram from your phone's home screen. And here, it's just shown here on an iPhone. From the home page of your Instagram newsfeed, find your profile, the icon located on the far right on the bottom menu and looks like your profile picture. In the top right corner, find the icon resembling three lines. Tap to access the profile menu. And at the bottom of the profile menu, find settings, the icon resembling a gear. And under settings, tap on privacy, the icon that looks like a lock. And under the submenu connections, tap blocked accounts. Under blocked accounts, find the user you wish to unblock and tap, and this will take you to their profile page. Under the user's profile bio, tap unblock. And a pop-up menu will ask if you want to unblock the users. If so, tap unblock. This will allow the user to once again view your profile, follow your accounts, message you, and like your post if your profile is public. I'll just repeat these steps. So at first, launch Instagram from your phone's home screen, and here, just shown here on an iPhone. From the home page of your Instagram newsfeed, find your profile, the icon located on the far right on the bottom menu. In the top right corner, find the icon resembling three lines. Tap to access the profile menu. At the bottom of the profile menu, find settings. And under settings, tap on privacy, the icon that looks like a lock. And under the submenu connections, tap blocked accounts. Under blocked accounts, find the user you wish to unblock and tap, and this will take you to their profile page. Under the user's profile bio, tap unblock. A pop-up menu will ask if you want to unblock the users. If so, tap unblock, and this will allow the user to once again view your profile, follow your account, and message you and like your post if your profile is public. And how to block someone on Instagram using a desktop computer. Go to instagram.com and sign into your account if you aren't already signed in. Find the profile of the account you want to block and click the three-dot menu near the top right of the page to the right of the user's Instagram handle and click block this user from the menu that appears. And you block the user just now, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching. And the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.